Happy day, children. Class 6, Chapter 5, Statistics. Today I am going to teach exercise 5.4, Miscellaneous Practice Problems. The first question, the heights in centimeters of 40 children are 110, 112, 112, 116, 119, 111, 113, 115, 118, 120 and so on. Prepare a tally marks table. Children, look at the heights. Listen carefully. Here, 5 children are in 110 centimeter height. 8 children are in 111 centimeter height. 4 children are in 112 centimeter height. 5 children are in 113 centimeter height. 2 children are in 114 centimeter height. 4 children are in 115 centimeter height. 3 children are in 116 centimeter height. Next, no child are in 117 centimeter height. 2 children are in 118 centimeter height. Next, only one child are in 119 centimeter height. The last height is 120. 6 children are in 120 centimeter heights. Okay, children. Here they have given the heights of 40 children. First, we have to draw a table consisting 3 columns. First column is for heights of children. Second column, tally marks. Third column, frequency. Now, we have to write the heights. 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Now, in tally marks, how many times 110 has come? Yes, you have to write in tally marks height of children having 110 centimeter is equal to 5. So, draw a 4 vertical line, then cross the 5th line over the drawn 4th vertical line. Now the frequency is 5. For 111 centimeter, the tally marks 8. Frequency 8. For 112 centimeter, the tally marks 4. So you have to draw 4 vertical line. Frequency 4. For 113 centimeter, the tally marks 5. Write frequency 5. For 114 centimeter, the tally marks 2. Frequency 2. For 115 centimeter, the tally marks 4. Frequency 4. For 116 centimeter, the tally marks 3. Frequency 3. There is no child having 117 centimeter heights, so in frequency we write 0. Next, for 118 centimeter the tally marks 2. So you have to draw 2 vertical line, frequency 2. For 119 centimeter the tally marks only 1, frequency 1. The last one, for 120 centimeter the tally marks 6. So you have to draw 4 vertical line, then cross the 5th line. Next you draw 1 vertical line, the frequency 6. Then we find out the total of frequency. The total is 40. Okay children, do you understand? Next shall we move to second question. The following pictograph shows the total savings of a group of friends in a year. Each picture represents a saving of rupees 100. Answer the following questions. Look at the pictures. Ruby has 5 piggy banks. Malarkodi has 7 piggy banks. Dasneem has 4 piggy banks. Kulali has 5 piggy banks. Inia has 3 piggy banks. Here the question is given 1 piggy banks represent rupees 100. 1 piggy bank represent rupees 100. Now let us go to the question. First one, what is the ratio of Ruby's saving to that of Dasneem's? Solution. As per the table, Ruby has 5 piggy banks. 1 piggy banks represent rupees 100. So write a ratio of Ruby's saving that of Dasneem's equal Ruby saving divided by Dasneem saving. Ruby has how many piggy bank? Yes, 5. So 1 piggy bank represent 100. So 5 into 100 divided by next Dasneem. Dasneem has 4 piggy bank. So you have to write 4 into 100. Here 100 get cancelled. The remaining is 5 divided by 9. 5 divided by 4 is equal to 5:4. Therefore, a ratio of Ruby's saving that of Dasneem is equal to 5:4. Second question, what is the ratio of Kulali's saving to that of others? Solution. Ratio of Kulali's saving that of others equal to Kulali's saving divided by others saving is equal to Kulali has 5 piggy banks. So you have to write 5 into 100 divided by others saving. Except Kulali, the others is Ruby has 5 piggy bank, Malarkodi has 7 piggy banks, Dasneem has 4 piggy bank, Inia has 3 piggy bank. The total is 19. So 19 into 100. 100 get cancelled. The remaining is equal to 5 divided by 19. So the answer is 5:19. Therefore, ratio of Kulali saving that of others equal to 5:19. Third question, how much is Inia saving? Inia has 3 Biki bank. So 1 Biki bank represents 100 rupees. Right? Inia saving is equal to 3 into 100. The answer is rupees 300. Fourth question, find the total amount of saving of all the friends. Savings of all the friends equal to Ruby has 5 Biki bank, Malarkodi has 7 Biki banks, Dasneem has 4 Biki bank, Kulali has 5 Biki banks, Inia has 3 Biki bank. The total is 24. So you have to write 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. 1 Biki bank represent rupees 100. So multiply 100. The total is 24 into 100 is equal to total saving is equal to rupees 2400. Fifth question, Ruby and Kulali save the same amount. Say true or false. Ruby has 5 Biki bank. Kulali has 5 Biki banks. So their saving is same. So the answer is true. Shall we move to third question? There are 1000 students in a school. Data regarding the mode of transport of the students is given below. Draw a pictograph to represent the data. Once again I repeat. There are 1000 students in a school. Data regarding the mode of transport of the students is given below. Draw a pictograph to represent the data. Here some data is given. Mode of travel on foot, bicycle, scooter, bus, car. Number of students go on foot 350. Number of students go by bicycle is 300. Number of students go by scooter is 150. Number of students go by bus is 100. Number of students go by car is 100. Solution. Now they have asked for pictograph. So let us draw the table. In first column, mode of travel. Second column, number of students. The first one is on foot, 350 students. It is not possible to draw 350 stick figures in the table. So, we take one stick figure is represent 50 students. So, the first one is on foot. Number of one stick figure is represent 50 students. So, 350 students divided by 50. 0, 0 get cancelled. 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. So, you have to draw 7 stick figures. Next, bicycle. 300 students. So, 300 divided by 50. 0, 0 get cancelled. 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30. So, you have to draw 6 stick figures. Next, scooter. 150 students. So, 150 divided by 50. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 3s are 15. So you have to draw 3 stick figures. Next, bus. Number of students 100. So 100 divided by 50. 0 0 get cancelled. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. So you have to draw 2 stick figures. The last one, car. Number of students 100. So 100 divided by 50. 0 0 get cancelled. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. So you have to draw 2 stick figures in the table. Finally, we get the pictograph. Okay children, today's class is over. Thank you children.